Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Cross Roads in the city of Kingston. On the left is the Michael. You're gonna have to see the sign. I've never seen a sign like this before. The sign says the Michael University College. I've never seen an institution with the name university and college both in the name. I don't know if anybody else has ever seen it. If so, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below telling us the name that has it, and especially if there's another institution in Jamaica that has such a unique name, the Michael University College. Alright, but that is one of the more popular locations. We're on Marasca Road. On the right is the National Water Commission head office, which is probably the most popular location on Marasca Road. Alright, so we're now going up to Caledonia Avenue. Well, the sign says Caledonia Crescent. And we are now in the heart of the Crossroads area. So that's going to take a quick tour of Crossroads. And this area is called Crossroads because it is where 4 main roads intersect in Jamaica. So that's why they call it Crossroads, because this is where they cross paths or intersect. So we are on Caledonia Road. Straight ahead to the left is Slipe Road. If we turn right, we go on to Old Hope Road, and if we go straight across, we go on to Halfway Tree Road. So the busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree. The second busiest place is probably downtown Kingston. So to get from Halfway Tree to downtown Kingston, the easiest route is through Crossroads. So that's why this area is so busy. It's a major transportation hub. It has its own bus park. And of course, you have these transport operators that just stop anywhere and do their own thing. Now he's moving off. Alright, so this is Crossroads. Straight ahead is the bus park, and then to the left is the Carib Theatre, iconic building in Jamaica. It's a movie theatre, and behind the bus park is the police station. And that tower, it's to commemorate the Jamaicans who fought in World War II. You can see this tower has pictures of soldiers on it. Alright, so this is Slipe Road, so we're going to turn right here, and that's the Carib Theatre. It's probably the most iconic building in Crossroads. Still up and running, showing movies. Alright, so we're just going to drive by the police station and then come back out by the bus park. This is the Crossroads Police Station. That's the Crossroads Market straight ahead. And then this is the bus park. Alright, so if we turn left here, we'd go on to Halfway Tree Road. If we go straight, we go on to Old Hope Road. Now I know the persons on the pedestrian crossing have the right of way, but when the light is green, usually the pedestrians should just wait until the light is red and then they cross. But nonetheless, it all worked out. Okay, so we are now on Old Hope Road, driving through Crossroads.